Hi everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix your screen rotation when it's not working on your LENOVO Tab One. So actually it's very easy to do so. At first you have to open the settings and here tap on the display. Here, as you can see, we can scroll down and tap on the auto rotate screen. Make sure that it's enabled when it's blue like this. It's enabled. When it's gray, it's disabled. Make sure that's enabled when it's blue. Make sure that it's enabled. And yes, I know that it's maybe a paradox, but yes, I know we are testing and we want to fix that it's not working, but sometimes your auto rotate is disabled and you don't know that because you may think that you have it enabled. And yes, it's just a stupid mistake, but yes, it may be disabled, and I did this mistake. I made this mistake, and yes, I know that you can do it too. And this is the first thing. The second thing is that you can test if your screen orientation works when you tilt it, like for example this in the home screen. As you can see here, it works. So if it works in the home screen, test it in the multiple applications, like for example the camera application. It works as well here. Test it in the multiple applications. If it doesn't work in the home screen but works somewhere else, you have to restart your phone to reset the sensors. Pardon me, not phone, tablet. To do so, you have to hold the volume up and power button and tap reboot. And this should fix our issue actually. And because we are setting the gyroscope sensors in our tablet, and this is a quite common issue on the LENOVO Tab One, so yes, that's why I do recommend to reset it. Now, as you can see, our tablet is now turned on. Let's unlock it. As you can see, it takes some time. Don't worry, it's completely normal. And now here, let's open the settings back again. Now your auto rotate should be working, so test it out and let me know in the comments down below. But if it still doesn't work for you, we have to scroll down to the settings, to the about tablet section, and tap system update. Here, if you do have some updates, please update your tablet immediately. It's because the Lenovo may have released some quick patch fix for your tablet. And maybe this is the issue. As you can see, I do have the latest version, so I don't want to have this error, this screen rotation working. But if you do have your screen rotation not working, do it. I do recommend doing so. It's because this issue is quite common, so yes. And that's it for this video. Goodbye!